Hello and welcome back to my channel. And this is I'm showing my mini desert. Okay, you can see it's a temple. There's one temple there, and then there is just over here is the desert. This garden wall that's going to so many leaps and holes. It's just garden wall. That one is built. That is just a wall. This one is the big tree, and on the big tree, some small trees, and then there's big stuff. Allah! And this is the board. This is the mini desk. This is the B M desk. This one is the M desk. And this is the BMN desk board. From here, that bridge to here. Like and subscribe so you can see more about this desk and the other desk and the board.